Hi friends, I am Shikha and today we'll help you to build the Shopify store. But before we start this video, do you know what Shopify is? And why we should use Shopify? So here are the answers to all your questions. Shopify. Shopify is a CMS that help you to build an e-commerce store like Amazon, Flipkart with ready to build backend, easy to use customizer and easy to manage the website. Now the question here is why we should use Shopify only, not the other CMS like WordPress. So here, don't worry about it. I will help you to find out the difference between the others and the Shopify. Shopify is very secure. Shopify is easy to manage. Shopify is very easy to customize. And above all, it helps you to manage the large amount of products. So you see, Shopify is a small package with various benefits. So without wasting any time, let's set up the Shopify store. So now let's start setting up the Shopify store. Once you visit the Shopify website, you will see an option to create your store. Just click on that store button where you can add the email address and password and a store specific URL. Your store specific URL has to be unique. Like you see, I have added shopper test, and once I have added shopper test, a message says the URL already exists. So that means your URL has to be more specific. So now let me try adding one more keyword with it, like fashion. Just click on create store and your store initialization will be start. Once the initialization is complete, a message appears that add your address details. So add your address details and complete the initialization process. A store will be created. So once the installation is complete, you can see this type of dashboard. On the left hand side, you will see the menus from where you can manage the order, product, customers, marketing, discount, extra add-on for the advanced functionality of your store. And this is an online store from where you can manage your pages, blog post, etc. So if you will see, there is an eye icon. If you will click on it, you will see how your front end website look likes. This is the already default layout that the Shopify provides you once the store setup is complete. So this was all about the dashboard overview. So now let's proceed further and start adding the products. Just simply go to this product menu, add a new product. Here you can add the title. Here you can add the description. Here you can add the media for your product. Like I will be uploading 3 images. In this section, you can manage the pricing. In this section, you can manage the inventory. This section is for the shipping management. And here you can manage the option sets for your product. Like I will be adding for color, black, red, orange. Once you will click on done button, you will see that all the variants have been added. You can add different price for your variants, and also the inventory part that can be different for different variants. So you see, it was how easy to create your product. Once you are done, just set the product status to active and click on save. And this is all done. Once you will click on this preview button, you will be able to see the product that you have created in the front end. So you see all the images have been added. This is the title, this is the price, the option set. So this is the red color. When you click on the red color, 900 is changing, orange, the price is changing. And currently you will see the images are not being changed. So to change that, you can also do that. What you need to do is just visit the backend. Just add the images over here. Like for black, you will be adding black. For red, just choose red. And for orange, just choose the orange image. And just click on save. So just quickly visit the front end. and you will see if this is orange, orange image will be shown, and if it is red, red image will be shown, and if it's black, black image will be shown. So this was all about how you can create your first product. Similarly, you can manage the creation of different products. Now let's proceed further and categorize the products into collections. Just visit the backend, just go to the collection section and create collection. Just add your title, men's collection, add the description if you want, like this is men's collection. So you see there are two conditions, one is manual and other is automated. If you choose manual, then you can manually assign the products to the collection, and if you choose automated, then based on these conditions the product will be added. Like if the product tag equal to men, then all the products that are having the tag men will be automatically added to the men's collection, and so on. So let's choose manual and just save it. So you see, collection have been created. Now you can start assigning the products to the collection. Just click on browse, just add t-shirt and add. So now the product has been added to the collection. Now let's proceed further and start creating the pages and the navigation. For that you need to just click on this online store and you will see there are pages and navigation over here. Just go to pages, add page, just add any page. Add the page title over here, add the description. So the product is being created. If you will view this page, so see the page has been created. You can assign this page to the navigation. Just visit the navigation. This is the main menu. Just add menu. Add the title for the navigation. Add the link. From here you can select as it was a page. Just go to page. Click on the about us and add. So now the page has been added to the navigation. Just save it. So now you can check this about us page in the front end. Just visit the front end. So you see about us menu has been added. Now let's proceed further and start customizing your website. So you will see here these are only the thumbnails that you have been added. Now let's proceed further and start customizing the website. So here these are only the thumbnails that have been added. We can add and beautify our website. For that we need to just visit the backend and start customizing our website. Just click on this online store. Here this is a customizer. Click on this and this is the customizer that the Shopify provides us. So you will see it is having two sections, right hand side and left hand side. On right hand side you can view the website that you can see on the front end, and on the left hand side you can see the sections that the Shopify provide you. You can add the image, you can change the things from here. If you will click on this image banner, you will see the option to add and select the image. Just select the image and you will see the image will be changed on the right hand side. Similarly, you can do the customization for rest of the page. Similarly, we can add the content to the other section and prepare the site as we want as per our choice. You can add more section also by clicking on this add section. So when you will click on this add section button, various sections that has been already built by the theme that we are using provide us, like blog post, collage, collection list, contact form, and based on this different themes had different sections. So now let's select this contact form section. So once I have added this contact form section, this contact form section appears on the right hand side. Similarly, I can add more section like this featured product. Once I will click on this featured product, its further settings will be open. I can select the product like this one. So once I have selected this product, the content will be shown on the right hand side. Now let's save the settings that we have created and check how our front end looks. Click on this save button. You can preview your website from here also. You can just select these three dots and you will see there is a view. Just click on this view and you will see how your website looks. It's exactly the same how you have checked and how you have created in the customizer section. So this is how you can use the customization. Now let's proceed further and start adding the products to the cart. Let's select this jacket product, add to cart. So you will see the product has been added to the cart. Just proceed further with the checkout. So this is the checkout that Shopify provides you. Here customer will add their details like email address, shipping address details like John, address, PIN code of your location. And once you are done with the shipping address, on the right hand side you will see that all the things like shipping, subtotal, taxes will be automatically calculated as per the settings that you have defined in the backend. For this thing I will explain bit in detail in our next video. Now once you have added all the details, just click on this continue shipping. Now continue to payment. So you can see the store cannot accept the payment right now because currently you haven't set any of the payment gateways. So for that, what you need to do is just visit your backend. At the left bottom corner, you will see a setting menu. Here you will see the payments. Here Shopify has its own multiple payment gateways. So select as per your choice. Currently, I am adding cash on delivery. Similarly, you can activate PayPal, Stripe, etc. as per your choice. Now let's refresh the front end. So once you have made the settings of the payment in the backend, you will see the cash on delivery is visible on the payment section page. And the order is completed. Now you can check your orders in the backend. In the left hand side, you will see that there is an order menu. Just click on that orders and you will see the list of all the orders that have been arrived from your website. So this was a short overview about how you can set up your Shopify store. I hope this video was beneficial for you. If you have any queries regarding Shopify or our video, drop a message in the comment section. Please don't forget to subscribe by clicking on the bell icon. Please like and share with your friends. In the next video, you will have more information about the Shopify so that you can build an e-commerce store in more enhanced and advanced ways. So stay tuned. For now, bye.